Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a brief overview of the Spigen rugged armor case. I actually filmed this entire video and then it just got corrupted and deleted, so that's kind of weird. But yeah, let's hop into the review. This is the last one on this list, and I think I've done like a total of 5 case reviews now. This is probably going to be decent. Spigen always makes nice cases, and last video I did was a review of the ultra slim case that they make, the liquid armor case. I liked this one. It was slim, had a nice textured back, and this is their more like rugged option right here. So I actually already have it on my phone. Sadly, I can't do the full unboxing video because that file got corrupted, so I'm gonna have to just like talk about it here. In my opinion, this is a jack of all trades, master of none case. What I mean by that is like it does everything pretty well, just nothing really stands out to me. The cutouts are really solid. That's one thing I do like about this. Every cutout at the bottom for the microphone and the speaker, for the top for the 2 microphones, for the camera, it's nice. And one other thing I want to like mention in this video is just the side texture. So if I can get a close-up on that, the side has texturing on it, which is pretty neat. So when you're actually gripping the phone like this, it's not going to slide out of your hands ever. So grip is there. The back has a nice like kind of like matte silicone feel, if that makes sense, similar to like Apple cases. And then at the top, it's a little rugged right here, and then at the bottom, it's a little more carbon fiber. Grippiness on the back isn't as good as like my Crave case or even the last Spigen case, but the sides are definitely a little better. Button clickiness is good. Requires a little more effort than the Crave, obviously, because these buttons are huge. But overall, like it fits onto the case nicely. It wraps up over the screen, so if you drop it like face down, it's going to be fine, and the screen's not going to crack or anything like that, which is good. One thing I do have a little gripe at is at the top here, there's no real like cutout for like the earpiece when you're actually like on a call or something, and it actually acts as a speaker, so it could distort some of that audio because there's not like a big cutout for it. So just keep that in mind. Feels good in the hand. Easy to install, obviously. Nice cutout for the flash. As you can see, it's like really precise here. So Spigen knows what they're doing. As always, they have like the best packaging out of any of the cases I've reviewed so far. So if you're into packaging, go pick this one up. Spigen logo on the side right here. So I mean, like overall thoughts, like it's a pretty like basic case. There's nothing too crazy about it at all. The Crave is hard shell and nice textured back and big buttons. That's like those are like the 3 biggest things I like about it. The Spigen case is really lightweight. It's flexible, so it's not like you can like twist this and stuff. It's not like hard back sort of thing like the Crave. I'm kind of realizing now like I do kind of prefer the hard back just for that extra drop protection. This should do fine. Like it has good protection, and as you can see, the Spider-Man sort of impact disbursement that they got going on here is obviously like advanced, and they've tested this a lot. Not too much to say about this case. I think it's solid. I think you should get it if you like those textured sides for grippiness. It gets the job done. It's a pretty affordable case as well. This is not too much money on Amazon at all. I think I paid, at the time they had coupons and stuff, I think I paid around $18 for this case, so it's not expensive at all. And if you're looking for a good S21 case, go pick this up. Spigen is a reliable company, so you can't do any wrong. With that being said, guys, subscribe, hit that like button, share this video, help me out with my goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers this year. And I appreciate all you guys leaving comments, likes, that sort of thing. Love interacting with the community I've built thus far. I think we're at 518 subs, so if you're new here and you're watching this, please hit that subscribe button. It helps support out the channel. I appreciate all of you guys a ton. Look forward to more awesome reviews in the future. I got a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 keyboard case review and unboxing coming shortly. I don't know when this video is going up, but look forward to that. And yeah, a lot of other cool stuff going on. So I appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.